Practicing non-attachment involves not allowing your emotions to control our lives and decisions. It's important to understand that jobs, relationships, and material possessions are ultimately temporary, and we should fully enjoy them in the present moment. Accepting that everything must pass allows us to fully experience life and ride the movement of our emotions without being held back. To cultivate non-attachment, we can focus on ourselves, accept change, form healthy relationships, and live ethically. Meditation is a valuable tool for letting go of attachments and staying present. It is also crucial to let go of expectations, stay calm in any situation, admit that we don't know everything, and stay active even in the face of change. Making changes to our surroundings, finding humor in the moment, and setting boundaries in relationships are also important aspects of non-attachment. Lastly, it is essential to address any interpersonal issues that arise with honesty and respect to avoid internalizing negative emotions.